Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me to evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah, crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex, wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we float. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, this shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift, bitch I'm him. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Niggas landlocked, too bad for them. And they liable to talk, but it's mad.
Yo, what's up everybody? We're back at you with another short video. Steven finally come around.
Yeah, I finally made it.
But I put us in for Lowered Empire for a sponsorship. It's probably nothing. It's nothing really major. It's just kind of a thing for the cars. We wanted to try it out just to see what they send us. So they sent us some stuff. This box right here, Lowered Empire. See it right there. It's pretty cool looking.
They got some pretty awesome clothing and stuff.
So I kind of glanced in it just to see what was in it, but they send you a shirt. Pretty nice little shirt.
Yeah, that banner I was looking at on there had the mask.
Kind of looks like Steven.
Yeah, a little bit.
Let's see. Oh, that's pretty doohickey majigger. But I paid $36 for the box. It's discounted or something. Well, we're gonna buy one more. Lower rides. It's pretty cool if you're a chick.
We got flowers on it.
Yeah. What's this? Thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your 20% off your next order. So it's 20% off. 20%. The fifth person to comment can have the code. We'll give the code away. It's for Lowered Empire. I got some pretty cool stuff on there. I think that'd be alright.
That'd be alright. I could give this stuff away.
What the fuck is this? Oh, air freshener. That's pretty cool.
Hey, that'll match your car too with the red.
What's it smell like? Can't open it. Can't open it. Little air freshener. If you hear my heater in the background, I'm sorry. It's cold.
Yeah, I think it's like 30 degrees today.
Let's see what we got here. Looking for car parts or they got carbon fiber parts too. They got air ride, so if it ever gets back to Lowered Empire, I'm needing the bags for my car. We've emailed you. I don't know how many times we emailed. Yeah, so we did. We've emailed them like several times just to try to, because it says they got air ride. So I'm trying to see if they got the one for my car. If I do, I'll go with them. Just try to give them some more shit. Let's see. Welcome to Lowered Empire sponsorship program. Sponsor codes. So they got some codes. 30% off decals and 25% off all merch.
Oh, is that them codes I was telling you about?
Yeah, I think so. So the first person to comment gets those. Here's our official Lowered Empire sponsorship. Hope that's gonna get it or not. It's pretty cool. I guess I could put that somewhere on the car. It's pretty cool decals. after hours, night drives. Night drives? Yeah, night drives.
Yeah, they got some pretty cool, I think I've seen some drift life and some different stuff on their website.
Lowered Empire.
It's not too bad. I ain't much on bumper stickers. It won't go in the car, but it'll probably go in the shop.
That's what I was thinking. Post them up in the shop.
Yeah. I don't put bumper stickers on the car. That was actually kind of cool, even with the roses.
Yeah. Oh, what's
Worldwide.
Oh shit. This looks like something Steven would use. Yeah, little heart. Keychain heart. It matches a little gay keychain or his handle holder in his car. A little gay heart.
Tusk wall. What do they call Tusk? Whatever.
That's pretty badass.
Hey, it's red too.
Hell yeah.
These ain't everything for your car. You didn't even know it.
I'm gonna be backwards. Pretty badass. I'll probably put that on my garage door. Not right now because it's cold.
Yeah.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Yeah. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Okay, I'ma hit for 20 off a laptop. In a Zoom meeting, making money is my backdrop. Ballpoint base hit harder than a slap shot. Flew out my baby, told her ride me like I'm Epcot. Whoa, whoa, I've been doing road on the go, go. Get a bag and flip it, that's for sure. If it's show, show, that was never talk about nothing. Turn it down and go get you some money. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick. I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Eyes on the money, my brothers got my back. Streets moving funny, so I been holding strap. Not playing defense, we been on the attack. Plotting and scheming, how we gon' get it back. Designer all on you, but you can't buy the swag. No mirrors, no foo-foo, I see the tag. You can bet if I spending this cause I get it back. I'm $5 I can see the lag. All I ever wanted was to have it all. Got close, never froze, had to risk it all. As a little boy, I wish I was a little tall. Never made the league.
I was gonna say you wouldn't believe it hit the bullseye, but you know, I forgot we had y'all rolling.
I got money busting out the money clip. Make a call and hit another lick. Someone get the money counter, I can keep on thumbing it. Turn a 10 piece to a 20 quick.
Plus that one mounts directly on the tripod too. Supposed to.
Try to get warm in here. Don't mind my messy old building. Messy. So we're gonna take these bumper stickers. I just put them over there somewhere. Ooh, that's hot.
Only hot spot in the garage. Let's see here.
I'd keep them all over there somewhere.
Which wall you want to be the
That
bumper sticker wall? This one?
That's gonna be our car wall right
well, I
there.
want to get a flag of. We need a Honda flag and a Subaru flag.
I don't know about a Honda, but
Well,
I'm just not a Honda guy. Only time you ever see me a Honda is if I got an S2000. It's the only time to be a Honda. Other than that, I can't stand a Honda.
One. Lowered Empire. Y'all really gotta get back with this on some airbag stuff. These WRX is getting bagged too, and I hate to have to buy it from somebody else I ain't sponsored for them. Well. see.
It's a big ass wall, just sticky. Hopefully, eventually, we'll have this whole wall stickered.
Yep.
We'll make a big video about that. I'm gonna sticker this whole wall. Now we'll do the door. We'll do the whole door and everything.
Whole wall.
And how many is it?
Let's start.
I need to put mine on somewhere on my car.
The wipers wiping the paint.
We'll fix that. Fixed.
It's been done.
Well, they went to breaker. Fucking right under your foot.
What the hell I do? Apparently, we shorted out our power to the man cave. Oops.
What bark like it?
I don't know. Sure as hell did though. Might have already had a place in it or something.
It's a pair of damn strippers here somewhere.
It's in that case. One of those, that plastic case. It was a black box. That's where they left that. Alright.
I'll put these up. No, I bet it was in.
Right there it is.
Man, we got strippers everywhere. Milwaukee, give me a sponsor. Ain't in there either.
Hey, Snap On, if you want to send us a free toolbox, we'll throw it in the video. Right, David?
Yeah.
Snap On, Matco. Hell, at this point, we'll take a Lowe's toolbox.
I like to have DeWalt. Not DeWalt, Milwaukee.
They even have, they make mechanic toolboxes. I know they started making some mechanics tools
They
and
make
stuff,
everything.
but we don't want no Craftsman crap because y'all quit taking your warranty like you did when Sears was open. I've been hearing all kinds of people complaining about the warranty since Lowe's took it over.
Well, I wish I knew where them other damn strippers was. These damn half-ass Walmart shit.
Yeah. I didn't know, I haven't seen the other ones. I know I had some, but I think they're at my house.
what I got. I don't know if I can make it reach. Yeah. I was coming here to do stickers, now we're doing damn wire.
Can't work on cars for having to fix other stuff.
That's it. We want to thank Lowered Empire for the sponsorship. I mean, we'll see what comes out of it, really. We just want to see what happens. Appreciate the box and everything come with it. I want to know about that air ride. So if any of y'all see this, or Lower Empire sees this, I need to know about air ride before I go buy it somewhere else. Because I am buying it, because I done got, like I said before, I done got the kit. I just got to get the bags. So until next time, make sure you subscribe, hit that bell and that like button, and come back again. We'll see